Hello and welcome to the session on Introduction to Database. In this chapter, we have tried to set context with real-time scenario where how database has made a bookseller Greg's life easier. This is Greg. Greg started a bookstore. To promote his bookstore, Greg offered a 30% discount on all his books. Greg started keeping the books and customer record manually into a notebook. After end of sale, Greg asked his store manager Jeff to give him the name, interest area, and mobile number of all the customers who bought books during sale. So when Jeff went to record room and started searching the records, he was completely confused and could not decide how to start. Can you recommend Jeff a better way of organizing the data? What would you do if you were Jeff? Would database help Jeff? Exactly, this is the correct answer, and this is what the course is for. But before we suggest Greg and Jeff, we need to have a look on the record book they are managing. These are some sample pages we have taken from Greg's record book. If you see Greg and team, they are managing the records like name, author, category, and price of books, as well as the name of customer. So before getting started with database, we need to categorize the data of record book, and same categorization can help us in providing the name of our database column. So this is how we have categorized the record book data. Before we go in more details like table, rows, columns, tuples, let's have a look on bigger picture first. The database. It's a container which stores all your tables and SQL structure. In our day-to-day life, if we see, we'll be easily able to find the existence of database. Your bank detail, airline tickets, MP3 flares, so on and so forth. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are using a lot of database in our day-to-day life. So a database contains one or more tables, and table lives inside your database and organize your data into form of rows and columns. These are rows and these are columns. Combining these rows and columns make a table. So with that, let's move to our new chapter which talks about creating a database and configuring table using SQL statement.